Navigate to the Work Order Management page in MyGeotab by either clicking Maintenance, then Work Order Management, or searching for Work Order Management in the menu. Click Reports. Select Advanced. In the top right, MyGeotab displays a notification that the report is being generated. Once the report is ready, you have the option to download now or go to the My Reports page. For this example, we'll go to the My Reports page. Click the download icon. You can access more reports from the All Available Reports page, which you can find by either clicking Reports, then All Available Reports, or searching for All Available Reports in the menu. You can search through the collection of pre-made reports across the various categories at the top of the page. Need something unique? You can build your own custom report and upload it by clicking Plus Report in the top right corner. Congratulations! You've completed this tutorial for how to run maintenance reports.